Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Pugh and I am really excited to be working with you in English 111 this fall. Below this video, you'll see the official USAFA description of what you're going to learn in this class. Now, what that description doesn't tell you is that every English 111 instructor gets to choose a theme, a big question that will serve as the vehicle for learning the concepts and skills of the class. This fall, our theme is going to be cults, conspiracy theories, and communicating with character. I like a little alliteration. We're going to read together about cults and conspiracy theories as a way of thinking about the big question: what is the relationship between effective communication and ethical communication? Now, I recognize that some of you may be going, cults and conspiracy theories? Come on, Dr. Pugh, isn't that a little silly? And my response would be, yeah, a little silly, super interesting, kind of fun. And if we do it right, academically rigorous. Because here's the thing, cults and conspiracy theories are such a good way of thinking about argumentation. We may think that cultish and conspiratorial thinking is a little bit nutty, but the cults and conspiracy theories that stick around for a long time are also really persuasive. And that means they provide us with a great case study in understanding things like what makes a claim persuasive, what makes evidence actually work. By putting that kind of extremist logic in the hot seat, we give ourselves a great way to learn a lot about how argumentation works in everyday life, both for good and for bad. Because the thing is, as this topic makes really clear, we can communicate effectively, but that doesn't necessarily mean that we're also communicating ethically. Which means this course topic gives us the chance to think really deeply about what it means to put our effective communication skills to use for virtuous ends. And I'm actually going to ask you guys to think with me about kind of a bold proposition, which is that the way we communicate doesn't just tell us something about who we already are, but that in fact the way we communicate shapes who we can become. As officers, you're going to be asked to think or to communicate both effectively and ethically. And so this class is going to give you the chance to think about the relationship between those two things and to think about how you can develop communication strategies that will not only make you a stronger officer candidate, but also help you set your ethical compass for your future as an Air Force officer.